In 2024, we sold almost 2 million EVs, which accounted for about 7.5% of all vehicles. MSMEs comprise about 75% of all auto component manufacturing enterprises. And ensuring that they are able to diversify to EV manufacturing will be essential to ensuring a just and equitable transition.
MSMEs are always driven, literally, by the OEMs. And MSMEs in Pune are adjusting well to the change from working only for ICE engine components to the EV components.
We have 80% infrastructure available in Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar for EV manufacturing. The challenges remains about the manpower.
अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ द मैन पावर एट द राइट क्वालिफिकेशंस वो एक चैलेंज हमेशा रहता है. इसके लिए हम लोगों ने ऑपरेटर्स को ट्रेनिंग दिया और उनको एम्पावर किया कि ये तेरा मशीन से तेरे को ही चलाना है.
You have a whole lot of engineering schools, so you have great talent right here in Pune. And then you have this institutional architecture in terms of the auto cluster, ARAI, MECF, MCCI.
MSME have to develop this technology, they have to maintain the standards, they have to develop excellence. For that, Marathwada Auto Cluster is giving them support in terms of technology and in terms of skilled manpower.
The initiative that WRI has taken is an important one for a simple reason, that they are the only ones who are working on this part.
Pune and Sambhajinagar are just two clusters amongst many in India that will need to transition to EVs. But these two clusters can lay the foundation for others in order to adapt it to their own context and continue to stay thriving and competitive in the new EV space.
Much of the value addition in the supply chain is done by the MSMEs. And if you help them, it would help you, the OEM, to do even better. And it will help the nation per se in achieving the goals and targets that we have.